Conversation. Meeting at a party.
Todd. Hi. You must be John's cousin Matt, right? From San Diego?
Matt. Correct. I just got in last night.
Todd. I'm Todd, John's roommate from Tech. Glad to meet you. I can assure you that I'm not anything like what John has told you.
Matt, I'm happy to meet you too. And yes, I have heard about you. Football, player and party animal extraordinaire.
Todd. Football, yes, and as a matter of fact, I do like parties. But tell me more about yourself and what you do in San Diego.
Matt, well, I'm more of a surfer than a football player. You know, San Diego has a fantastic coast, and we can surf all day and then party on the beach at night.
Todd, that sounds awesome. How long are you staying?
Matt, well, I'll be here for 2 weeks. John has promised me a non-stop schedule, kind of a mix of sightseeing, meeting his friends, checking out the local scene, and, hopefully, camping in the mountains for a couple of days.
Todd, John's a good guy, and you can be sure he knows the local scene. He knows everybody in town. I'm sure he'll show you a good time. And his friends are here to help.
Matt, thanks so much. I really appreciate that. I'm still a bit jet-lagged at the moment, but should be in good shape by tomorrow. I'm looking forward to hearing what John has in store for me.
Todd, don't worry. We'll all take good care of you. And don't be surprised if we show up on your doorstep in San Diego one day, ready for surfing.
If you like this video, subscribe English OR for more.